Keblai Pibaro Shagatup Khubor Jangi Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Menta Kasngi Kilong. Bekiu Dor Yang Bat by Permit Yaki Kinong Kamai Kali Harilum Jaintia. Belong to Meghalaya Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Subordinate Technical Staff Association Headquarters Shillong Yaka Scientific Seminar Ba Arsni Hakli Tirshi. Bat Yap Julop Usamla Nalat Ko Saulat Pedeng Shnong Hawa Umir Hamau Pedang. Bat Mintangin Pashiki Khubor Bakam Benya. Kumshi benta ban penpau kajing persya halor kajing kiudor kabai umpnyang bat kabai permit kali hakashisnem na kaliang keseng kinongnya kali kamai karilum jaintia bahap hapok kalama jangko all jaintia Commercial Vehicle Association henen kesngi gila pelong kajing yaki dak bate lamayong bat ra ki plakat ben persya ekasor karjala halor kajing kiudor umpnyang. Hapok kani keseng all jaintia Commercial Vehicle Association ladon palat sanpau teliki association bat kajing yaki jengki kadai namar ba kajing nang kiudor ko umpnyang kali kat badang mi kisngi kelakta yaki kumkinong kamai kali bat kumju ru yaki patba. Ujon Lingdo General Secretary Kejawai Shillong Tourist Cap Association uloong bekidap pada kajing sengau kia hadin beka sorkar kam sengap ya kajing dawa jengki ban pendam shwai kajing penterekam ya ka All India Permit namar babon naki ki bakamai tang hari khasi jaintia bat tang teng teng kilich Assam. Upay lalingkot President ka All Jaintia Commercial Vehicle Association uloong bahinin kesngi kilarai ban penlong jingeki ha East bat West Jaintia halor ban penpau kajing persya ya ka sorkar bakla le ben ya kinong kamai kali khamtam hadin ka lockdown ka sorkar kalapin kiw ya kabai permit bat ru ko umpnyang kali shabab palat.
Mai wong senang kok ini dia yo hek sekar yo bisi yo
Halor kanong rim ban pinyo jing hikai kat kum kajuk jing start baminta yaki nong tre veterinary assistant na kaliang ka Meghalaya Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Subordinate Technical Staff Association Headquarters Shillong henne kasngi ka lepelong ya ka scientific seminar ba arsngi ha vocational training center Clay Tirshi West Janta Hills Jawai. Yakani ka seminar lakarshan pisa da katanat Director Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ka Sarkar Jilla hapok ka National Livestock Mission. Habakren Pitiang Burom UF Majau President Meghalaya Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Subordinate Technical Staff Association uloong ba umday ban tre tang ban chiyo tulab Henry ban perkhat ning kong ep halor ban pinkiw ya kalawe kinong rep namal ba kadai katanat kabakibriw kila ban pai kman. Dr. KB Sakhar, Director ka Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, habakren play kani ka seminar ulapin ngawru ya ka Artificial Insemination Program da ka baong bakani kam day tang kathong bahakmat jong ka sarkar pedeng Henry ka longru ka benta bala banyarap kintiw ya kayo kakod jong ka jilla.
Of spending money in doing whatever for your luxury life, do something. People in Giant Hills also will benefit. So I'm hopeful that these people if they are serious enough, if they will invest, you will see really a sudden change in Giant Hills. If they will invest in cattle development, piggery, so on and so forth. Not only that, I'll tell you, now that the government of India has also prepared a plan, a scheme which they call it Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. From beginning of January, we will start the scheme in which the government of India also will provide support to an entrepreneur. Before we are giving to farmers schemes, now we will also focus to entrepreneur. Entrepreneur are what? People who mean business. They don't start with 1 pig, 2 pig, 3 pigs like farmers. When they want to invest, they invest in large, in a big way. Instead of starting with 4 pigs, they will have to start at least minimum 50 pigs to there. Where the money will come. They have the money, they need support from the government will give them some kind of a subsidy to these people. This thing, that's why I'll tell you, you will see in coming 5 years, our department will really be one of the department which will create a jealousy to many. I'm not just thinking big because I know already, plans are already there. That's why consider yourself that you are so important. Because as mentioned by all the speakers, you are the backbone. So there is the role for all of you during that period, that you will become so important. People will look at you, that is so important to you. In fact, to achieve that, you need to prepare yourself. How do you prepare yourself? You have to be skillful. You have to be knowledgeable. That's why, again, coming back, seminar, training, etc. can update your knowledge. So whenever we call for training seminar, don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Come and attend the training. Even if you don't like also, you please simply sit and listen. If you want to get rid 80%, at least retain 20% sufficient. 20%. If you will end your 2 days seminar here, if you cannot digest everything which the resource person are giving to you, it's alright. But at least something should be there. Then only you will see, yes, I have acquired some new information, new knowledge. Not only that, over and above, I keep on repeating to all the officers, to all of you also, our website, I do not know how many of you are interested in doing internet. I think almost nowadays, because in our mobile, almost.
Timintang ini pa shwashi por shakijing pinbana. Mindangin pai biang shiki khubor badang sa. Kasing Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association minta kasngi kalay thuwa baladap jet shipongut ki weightlifter ki banya shiminta ha ka national bench press competition kabanlong ha Goa nadu ka khanril tarik hadu ka arpasan tarik unai wing. Kinongkit kam jong kani kasing kilay thuwa ya kani ha Shillong Press Club ha Shillong.
Di ka kasing lang di play ama ki banlai Shri Everson Khadbi Khio. Nanta Anastasius Rendang Sngi Shri Tenshan Kupar Maulong Shri Jonathan Nyota Shri Frankie H Nongrong Odi Coach Nata Shri Jordan J Nyota Shri Donald Rambai, Srimati Angel Mary William Umlong, Nis Dapisa Nongse, but Shri Hilarious Karbikio. Ti kini ki player ki bangila expect bangilen. Ti ka ika wa kongsan kalong ka ni ai men sia miki. Namar ba barbar hi kat bangi pe ki player ki ba lek shabar kawai kaliang ka balong bangimdan kiwi ki ba kiban burom ki shop kinwan ani ban lek. Ti kumngi hi na kaliang ka association ni ai kublei ya BPB player balakloi men sia balakloi shisha daladi ban yelek wala da kalong ka expenditure bakin lut na kilo. Mereka wait kami think kalau ba kuman cuang na kalian ka fitness hi mentah baru hi kuman cuang hak tin ngoi health as well tingi don kami ya kejingkot jengkhia nadu iba kadai kejingkot jengkhia le kadai ka spa ba umdan spa i rem hal khamat kejingkot jengkhia ndai habai perkhat ya kani ka jinglek ka kai ka bakongsan mentah kalau bangi kum ki nong kum na kalian ki association ni kem tu ya baru kitu kiba kena wan hagi kwa ban lek kai ka balat na kani jing sniu kidi ban join ha kalong kanu jing lek kai la kalong ha football la kalong ha tennis la kalong badminton any game dan swimming and la ni ka gym ndai ka bakongsan hi balat na ki bro kini jing sniu te khamtam mata na bun kilong yeng long sam ni ki janjar nam ta ki khun ki ti ban pet mo namar bole kala jele pra kani jing di drops te ndai ka haba brio ulet cha ka jing lek kai Tika penlong yu bo un pelat ya kitu kijing di boro. An kadika there's no rehabilitation center than any other like na kajim. Kajim kadika way but ki sport monkey sport kidiki way ki balong ka rehab kadika rehab ya ki pelat na dachina mandi banbam kila maintain bit kitu ka physical fitness ya ki nadu bakin ki minister bakin thia and bakin kran ki brilu kanum don chu mano jing keluar hasnong lu an gade gata kawai ke bakongsan kalong ba sisian hi baki kena kila lej ha kajing lakai ki maintain ya ka discipline le job ti sa kawai ru kanong ba ka fitness hi kamut tang yang ni ki bakam ki badang samla kamut di baru hi nadu ki teman ki kloro ki should dang step ki should kentu ye ki samla mo ban ki dang step banyak ka step ban ya ka pengat namar ki lat lut nadu ka jemut jum perkhat ru kampus su she ru te ka jemut jum perkhat sisen ba ke kamdan chu tu ka jemut perkhat banong ban pai shu ding sniu ban pai sha kat ni ka pam ga di hendai la perkhat bi kumno ban mitin ya kamen ka te ka wei ka long ka ba sa ka wei ru ka long asos nei ba kum na kalyang jungi ni pe hadu mata na kalyang ka gom ni hadu mata kamdan jing rap ru e dengan sosi ha ban ong wala ka tarung ni so tuna bagi player ki balik mata ki peni shisha ba wala da ka government kam dan ru ngin let la de tingi kum na ka alliance ka association ru kat bangi don hi nginala man kersan ki tinga kenturu wala da ka government ni ka ploy wala da layo yo ikani ka press release ru ti ladangi wan ha kunu por ban yarap ru so ba ayeng jingrap ba don ki kena ki ba nakawan ki wan na yung badok Ndai bom dan la pan ki susah kuno. Ndai la da don ki bala ban support. Lani ban stand seki tekan kiyo sa prangke nadu kani ke jinglek kairu. Kubis bun tanam tak ni.
Uwe usamla ubakerteng ubat skemlang kriem ubadang arpusan snem kerta ubade ukhun jong ba borlang maulong ulayap julok hakawa umir kabedon hamau pedang kat ba udang jingi hakate kawa. Ki khubor ki ong ba uniu bayap julok ude ubanalat kor saulat pedeng shnong. Kani kalaja hagajing elik ka jong u bat laki parlok. Ya kamet jong u lala ban sei na katikawa da gajing rap jong kibriu ka search and rescue team minta kasingi hakapor architeng no pai singi.
Narame mati.
ये लाइन और थोड़ा ये
Tay rồi. Cái gì ở phía nấu ăn phía chúng ta thì
em cần ngâm xuống rồi ngâm tới cái gì
betul. Strap lagi je. Strap.
Inflate.
Bat dah kitu ki khubor ngilapoi syakabakun tak hadu penginda syembiang kublai shibun.